Hello everyone, in this video we will learn about muscular tissue. So in our body basically three type of muscles are found. So let's discuss one by one. So first is striated or striped muscles. So these muscles contains light and dark bands. Just because they are found on our skeletal system, it is also known as skeletal muscles. It is also called the striated or striped muscles reason they contains the light and dark stripes in it. It is a voluntary muscles, that means we can control them. The cells of these muscles are long, it is cylindrical, unbranched, and it contains many nucleus, that means it is multinucleated. It is found in muscles of limb, face, neck, etc. The body portion that we can easily move. And it is basically help in locomotion, that means for the motion or movement in our body. Now second one is unstriated muscle that we also call the smooth muscle. So it is also known as unstriated muscle reason they do not contain light and dark bands. It is an involuntary muscle, that means we can't control it according to our will. The cells of these muscles are spindle in shape and it is uninucleated, that means they contains a single nucleus in them. They are found in the walls of bristle organs, uterus, iris of eyes. Its main function is the movement of food in the alimentary canal, contraction and relaxation of different type of organs. And just because they are involuntary, we can't control the contraction and relaxation in our alimentary canal and different type of organs. Now the third one is cardiac muscle. So these cells are branched, they are cylindrical, they are striated and uninucleated. That means they contain a single nucleus, and these muscles are found only in heart. And its main function is the rhythmic contraction that help in the pumping of blood to the various part of the body. Now the last connective tissue is nerve cell or neuron. So it contains cell body. In the cell body, we contains a dedicated nucleus. A long thread is arise from the cell body that we call the axon, and the last ends or last fibers which are arising from the axon we call them nerve ending. Some small fibers are also arising from the cell body that we call the dendrites. Now its main function is, so nerve tissue controls all the body activities, that means whatever we are doing it is controlled by nervous system or nervous tissue. It's coordinate among various body parts during any body function. That means whenever we are doing anything, whatever we want to do, it is only controlled by our neurons, or it is coordinating between our nervous system and between the organs. So dendrites carries the nerve impulse toward the cytone. That means the dendrites which are arise from the cytone, they are collecting the nerve impulse and they are transferring it to the axon. And axon is carrying the impulse away from the cytone. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.